What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with Lee Wayne Outdoors. I have fished since Friday night, and it is now Sunday evening. We've had high winds all weekend. All weekend, Jack. But I'll flip the camera around here, and I'll show you what we're working with. That black rod just got hit when I was tightening up the line on them catmacks. And the wind's making it where you cannot stand this cold. Horrible fishing conditions. Well, we got us one little blue. We know they're active. We're gonna walk down here and let him go. There he is. He ain't no monster, but we'll make him a star. Go on, buddy. Get bigger. There you go. He gone. Well, at least we know there's something in here. All right, guys, we're gonna walk about right here where this duck is. This duck just wants to be famous, don't he? I'm gonna I'm gonna try to throw directly straight out in front of this big rock right here. What I'm really doing is just repositioning my baits. So I can get that off there, yeah. Yeah, I'm just repositioning them. If you don't get a bite, especially in the wintertime, within an hour, within 30 minutes to an hour is what I like to do. Maybe an hour and a half. Reel them in and reposition. There we go. We gotta get down here to him, do the mile walk. This might be a decent fish, guys. I got my phone charging in the truck. All I got is my chest cam. He ain't no monster, but we'll take him. Sitting acting like a blue at all. It is a blue. He might be pretty decent. He ain't bad. Man, this wind is critical. He ain't too bad. We'll take him. Don't death roll me. Team Catfish did the job, didn't he? Don't you bite me, Jimmy. I'm trying to help you. Come on now. Calm down there. We're about to get it now. That's right up under his tooth patch there. Bear with me there, buddy. There we go. We got you undone. Well, there he is. Hope you can see him good. Let's let him go. Ouch, don't you bite me. Don't bite me. There he is. There he is. Get bigger. Get bigger. All right, guys, we have moved spots. We've came a few miles down the road. Gonna give this place probably about 2.5, maybe 3 hours. There's another piece of bait I'm gonna use on the ground there. Yeah, no giants today by no means, but we're still having fun. You don't always catch the big fish. Sometimes you gotta weed through a lot of little ones to get a good one. This isn't one of them places you need a mile cast. Gonna lock that and back down there and anchor some of that slack out of it. Let's see if we can get something else. There we go. Man, we ain't been here long at all. Now I gotta walk down these cotton picking rocks. Oh. We hadn't been here 15 minutes, guys. And we found Mr. Whiskers. No giant, by no means, but a catfish indeed. Yes, sir. What do we got there, old channel? Heck, far. We got us an old pesky channel cat. Look here, guys. Give me my hook back. Come on, give me my hook back. You're not gonna give me my hook back? There we go. Old channel cat. Let's let him go.